Hi, hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. True Dreams with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time, you got the Dengue post for YouTube or you dey watch, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for you. Thank you so much for coming around again, and God bless you. So today we want to talk about one of our sister. This is our sister self. She said they say she dey kolo. I been wanna listen to her voice, wanna really see whether she dey kolo or she not dey kolo. Wanna listen. I will play small little voice record, but later I will put the full voice record at the end of this video. So wanna really see if she really dey kolo or no. Because some people, according to them, they say depression dey their body, but dem no know. Now who they look them, now they know say that kind thing dey happen to them. But with her voice and everything, I know so now fit judge whether she really dey kolo or she no dey kolo. Then may I put a little voice record as I talk. Later I will put the other one for the end of the video, and we could just listen small. Then I'll tell you now the cocoa. Okay.
So I got sick of it. I got the growth of the normal skin. My results come. My post result got negative. I carry lawyer. They come on go negative. I go renew all rights. They collect her from her. They give me dundun. They pull red bag for each side. My money, they stop her. So I use this thing because. Well, my sister, wait. You know, say at the record you actually talk so. Okay, you know, say you know the kind words when you they use, you know. You know, say you know now, you understand me. You know your words because of children when they work out the past. We know they use strong language. You understand? If you reach where strong language, you try to use our distinctive break and down. Our pidgin English they break and down. Okay, now after you born now they come carry you. After you born now, when the pikin not still dey, now they come carry you go. This thing say you dey kolo. After I born the pikin finish, after 3 months, now they carry me go say they come when I dey as I dey sleep, cause I so cry, so they come say. So they send somebody come they meet you that time. Yes. They will send somebody come meet you. The person, what is the person they tell you? The person they say they come. If the person they come every Thursday. Because I don't very strong level, so if he comes, they leave alone, and my house big. He go they advise me say man not cry again. Another day they could come and not be song. So like you don't do anything stubborn or anything to say maybe see this lady, nothing like that. I don't do anything stupid though. I don't do anything with saying, I know why I know the law. So when all those people come carry me from my house, that make me obey them, follow them, follow them. They cannot follow their drag. They not follow their drag. Follow their drag. They'll all give that injection. You get what I'm saying? They shout, say, them we don't give injection, them we don't give injection again. So I enter the car and follow them. But when I reach there, they come give me one receipt. People they around me that day. I don't feel wrong. I don't feel do anything that day. So I don't take that medicine that day. You take her that day, yes. But I don't feel now when they call, I put her from my tongue. So now when they call for what, when they won't put me.
Anyway, I'll play the full record at the ending of this video. So I just want to make we understand this part. Say this our sister, she really dey kolo, because Jama say she dey kolo. Because this kolo matter now, don't they get a CB for Jamie. So they say she dey kolo. You know, somebody when you lose the pikin and they not still give her wetin she dey find. He say now do they give her, whether now all of them can't join the kolo or she not really the kolo. But now go listen to her. Her story be say when she from Libya enter, you know, say most people when they did Jamie there, most of them, that is, I think 90% of people when they Jamie there now, people went from Libya enter Europe. And she said when she come, she did very young and she lay out work for house. She learn this fashion designers. She say she sabi sew cloth well. He say so when she come enter, e no tey, okra e come grow. And when she no need am because she really young, and she say she get many plans wetin she wan come do for Europe. E never achieve any of them. Say so to come born pikin now, e no wan born pikin. E come go meet them, say e no want this okra, make dem remove am. Then they tell am say they no go remove the okra, say they go leave am. When e come say they no leave am, e come say okay, pikin na blessing from Almighty God, e go leave am. E say come leave am, e come dey go for clinic, antenatal and all that. He say when the belle don dey go 7 months, he say the way they come take dey look am, he no understand again. Na then they come tell am say complication don already dey for this pikin o. Now he come say wetin? They come tell am say see. He come say okay. He say immediately when he born the pikin, they come say the pikin no fit survive am. May the baby so rest in perfect peace. Na so she come just dey like that without the baby. He say from there, she come dey think, she come dey cry. They come send somebody, they come dey monitor am for house to see how she dey do. He say but she dey always dey cry, being say first pikin. Being na say she be person wey be say she lose this pikin now. They come bring psychology person wey go come house, come dey take care of her and all that. From there now they say they wan carry am go hospital. He come say he dey okay. He say before you know, he no drag go. He say because he don see years, say they say if you follow the drag, you get one big injection wey dey just shook you. If they shook you, that person, and then you dey hear say they say hey, Jama don give injection, oh, they don give injection. He say no want that injection. Then he just suffer follow them. He say as they reach there, the many both security people follow them. Now so they tell carry am go the hospital. They come put am for inside one room. They come give am what they call am some medicine make she drink. He say people many for there. He say he can't drink and he no argue. Ever since then they come lock and put for inside one room. No visitor, nobody. They always they bring that medicine for her. He say no, they drink the medicine. So they come lock and for inside one room. Every day they go they bring the medicine for her. Say make she they drink. She go they put the medicine for corner. She not the drink am because she know say she dey okay. Why she go come dey drink medicine of person when they colo? He say they come lock am for good 3 weeks. He come dey there before they come bring am come out. And he still come out now, they no still give am document. He say just come think about his life. Say he be person wey be say he no go school, but he get handwork. He say he believe say if he go back to Nigeria with her handwork, she go fit do something than to come dey inside camp. Yeah, say nothing. Wetin he come dey do? Say so he wan go back to Africa. Say how una see am? He say because all her mind na to go back to Africa. She don't know whether she go back, whether she go back now, she will consider they regret why she go back because he don't see somebody when that's when she never come Europe. Now so the person say he want come back or he want come back. When the person come back, the person come they see am and they will do something. Come say, hey, what he make he come back? Oh, if a kukuma biera, that's a better pass. He says so you know what? May wetin happen for goat house, make it happen for fowl house. That thing will happen to that person, make the thing not come happen to her. So that's why she dey think and now say whether may she go back or may she not go back, whether solution go dey. You when they watch me now, which advice you want give this our sister? Whether may she go back to Nigeria, but she said she get hard work, she learnt a lot. I ask her say you don't open store, you never open store, you don't get machine, and you never get money to take open store or to buy machine. So if she can't go back to Nigeria, how she go to see money to open store, go to buy machine? I come ask her say all this time 2 years now when you don't spend for this Europe for Jamie, you go any tailoring school. He said they don't give her documents to take go all these things. He said because now documents they say they go like say you get them now that tailoring for improve more on her sewing. Since she be fashion designers. Okay, right now, what is she want to say? Because she don't tire. He said, now, they say they want to go do one brain test of one thing. He said for she did okay. So come go, they do all these tests, they go hospital to hospital. When he be saying they okay, he not like her. Then make her make your kukuma go house, so make they not come talk now to somebody when they colo, when she know they colo, because he know they hear the story on how they say they turn some people to colo. Now I can say, well, I don't really know. What do you think about this kind of matter now? This kind, I'll put a voice record for the end. What do you think about this kind of situation now? because na real truth say she dey kolo as dey talk, or she no dey kolo na depression, or na their way of kolobi our people. Because this kolo matter, I don dey hear am for that side for very long time. Oh, you understand? But we no go still blame anybody. Now where we from dey come? Na there na the yawa for the start. Because it can't be like say it come too much. This one kolo, that one kolo, this one kolo. I pray may YouTube monitor this my video, because if you all talk anything kolo, YouTube not go monitor. I bet make them monitorize this my video. What is they call monitorize? I know I pronounce am well. Okay, anyhow. You understand? So this our sister now, what you now really think for her? May she go back to Nigeria, go learn, or may she just stay here, or go another country, or think of what to do? What's una reason for this our sister? Because she dey cry, she really dey shed tears. No friend, nobody. She just dey inside one corner, they pack her and put for one corner, they give her color people medicine. He say no wetin they do. Now she see number, she take call me. I believe say she know wetin she dey do, because now she see number, she take call me, and she dey talk. And ways I try to listen, I will still put her this thing for here. Mona still listen whether her ways they correct or no. This our sister. Is she really crazy? This is a question. And if you know you have any advice for her, or anything you want her to do, or you want her to stay, please just leave your comment down there below. She go to see her, because she really need advice now. Because you know say if we dey Europe sometimes, you know say some people family depends on their family. Some people family don't dey that Africa. When we say if you don't dey Europe, don't want call you come back. Huh? They call back. Oh, they call people back. They say na yam. They go, they roast the yam, this thing, the igogo of the yam, the smoke of the yam go from Africa. You go, they fly, they come, you go fly, they come, they fly, enter your nose, you come, they hear the smell of that yam. And spiritually, if you come, they hear the smell of the smoke of that yam where they roast, the thing you come, they draw you, come back. You go, they call you, come house, come house, come house, come house. Nothing you go do again. If they tell you yes, that yes when they tell you go be like the yes for your ear, say go back home. If they say stay go be like for your ear, say go back home. Now that this thing they say they draw that smoke, you go they smell for your nose, you go they perfume the odor of that yam. Now so they'll say they use and they draw you come back home. Before you know it they happen, you come carry yourself, your kanya, just go back home. If you can't reach us, your eye will come clear. You can't reach us, you can't look the environment, look here, say, how I take come back? Wetin make me come back? Now your hand, you take buy your tickets. Now your hand, you take go meet security people, say, I want to go back to my country. But if you don't go back, your eye will come clear like this, say, wetin make me come back? Okay, wetin I dey come back and do for here? Sometimes it dey happen like that, oh. But this our sister, I don't know whether they call her for her, so or she just really tired. You know, say you not go really know now. Not until the person don't reach Africa. When you don't see that Monitala Mohammed airport, the hot breeze when you go, you know, I never notice her. If you dey from Europe, they go Africa. Once you just they come down for a side flight, the kind breeze when go welcome you. Now that breeze when they hot. You go be like, you go hot you, go make you go feel warm you reach ground. When you dey expect cold breeze, now hot breeze you can see, you go warm you reach ground. That time you have come clear like this, say, wait till I do myself. How I take come back? May not be saying I call that they call this our sister, because she dey cry badly, say one go, not now, say never go. Never go meet them, say you want go out, so because now they even they fair people when they want carry go back. They fair people when they want carry go back. So if you just go meet, they say you want go, what they fair for Sokoto? They don't see her for Sokoto. So I beg my sister, fair hold on first, so look the comment section and we will look the voice recording group. More we see what they get for us. then me go still tell you little thing wey be say I still get for you. I just want to stop this video for here because the voice record go still dey me not too long. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you for supporting me. As you support me, now so Almighty God go support you in everything you do for your life. As you subscribe, now so God go surprise you, support you in everything you do for your life. As you share this video, now so God go still surprise you in everything you do in your life. Thank you so much. I remain your Lady T, your sister, your friend, your pikin, anyone you call me, I did there for you. A problem said is a problem half solved. Not die in silence. Not keep that thing they chop you in silence, because e no go pay you. Oh, just say it out and encourage people with your story also. And God bless you. I'm out of here. And bye.
Sleep gonna also cry. So they can't say.
They send somebody come they meet you that time.
Yes.
They will send somebody come meet you. The person, what did the person they tell you? The person when they send they come.
If the person they come every Thursday because I dey very young well. So if he come, they leave alone and my house big, he go they advise me say man not cry again. Another baby will come and all those stuff. So
but you not do anything stubborn or anything to say maybe see this lady, nothing like that.
I don't do anything stupid though. I don't do anything wey say but I know why I know the law. So when all those people go carry me from my house, now make me obey them, follow them, enter the car, follow them.
You not follow the drag.
Now not follow the drag. Now if you follow the drag, they'll go give you that injection. If you give me they shout say, Jamie don't give injection, Jamie don't give injection, you get me? So I entered the car and followed them. But when I reached there, they can't give me what medicine. People they around me that day. I don't feel wrong. I don't feel do anything that day. So I got take that medicine that day.
You take on that day, yes.
But I'm not well. Now where they call, I put her for my tongue. So now where they call commode, where they will put me for, I got Peter. I got stay for the hospital for 3 weeks. Good 3 weeks now I stay for the hospital. As they call release me Richards, they call talk say now if you know ever take self. I think it's last month they call give me an appointment say they want I say I know they crazy. Which kind of one like up this one? And only me and my God, nobody know. Now you believe now you be the first person who say this so say my enemy they do that thing so you get me? Not be me. Yeah. Now inside last month they come say they won't give me psychology doctor. They won't give me psychology doctor. I can't run for that city where I dey. I can't go another city. That place where I stayed in and day before yesterday they call me say they give me an appointment say psychology doctor. I think it's on Monday. Yeah. I go psychology doctor. May they go check my brain. Say my enemy they craze.
Jesus.
Instead of them to spoil my life for here, I just go back to my country. Go back because I don't want me to spoil my life for here.
Because you dey fear now to go do that this thing, that brain, what did they say they call am? Psychology. They won't give me doctor on Monday, so me now dey fear. I don't want to go on Monday. I don't want to go. I beg no gonna help me, me gonna help me. If you say no, I never come Europe safe. Don't come more. Dorish, not cry again. Not cry again.
I'm not the craze. Oh, them say the craze. I come from Nigeria fresh. Nothing to me. Why would they live yourself? Nothing like hot. I'm not even face anything like hot. I'm not face on. And Germany where I come, so now for the experience life, say now like this life be, now like this also be. Since when they call Europe, since I never even time for Joshua one day say, as normal girl they do. I never do one. I never start for this place where they say I won't call they do that kind of thing. I never do one.
What's you know what to blame all these people? We not be house. House good for person, that person come out. House good, that person come out. But I don't want me they talk. When be say person go come dey another country, go be like say e no know himself again.
I don't even know my left and my right, sister. I don't know my left and my right. I don't even know what to do. I tell you they talk now. Sometimes I'm able to feel self to commit suicide.
No, not try am, not try am. Don't try that. Don't try it. Not just try that one. That one no good. That one no good at all. Which kind wahala be all this one?
Make people help me. Make them help me, oh, because I don't know what I want to do again. They say may I leave the country. I say okay, I will leave. You never even quickly tell leave before they come my house side. They say my enemy. They do that thing. I not still mind there. I still obey there. I follow them go hospital. If to say I drag with
They
them,
come
so
keep
give me
you
that
for 3 weeks.
3 weeks. Morning in the afternoon, give me that medicine.
They dey always dey get this similar country sef. They dey always dey get this similar thing with people. Any small thing don say person dey kolo.
I no come outside. I say they lock me. I know they come outside. No be say I dey pick dustbin for road o. If you even see me, I look good. I look nice. Just that I dey think because I pass through a lot. It's normal for someone to
Yes,
think.
na somebody wey lost him pikin, he must think now. He must think. That one na normal thinking. So far person no come go dey throway cloth, dey scatter things.
I dey grab. I dey wear Nike shoe. I dey do anything wey be say if my hand reach, I dey buy. I no dey fight anybody for street. I no dey buy tickets for train say I no pay. They just look me. They go carry me go where crazy people dey stay. I spend 2 weeks for there. In the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, they give me medicine. Thank God I no dey swallow am. If to say I dey swallow am, my stomach for don big. People for dey rough for me now say this girl, because if you dey take that medicine, you go dey full, dey waka.
They say they make person fat.
You go dey full, dey waka. You go dey sleep anyhow. I see people for there now.
Our black people still dey there.
Yeah, I see one woman for there also with one Somalian guy. The rest people na fake Oyibo. They will all come like this. Some go drag. They will all give them the tablet. They go sleep from morning till 12 o'clock.
No, wow.
You make me cry. Come on, the on Monday, so I don't want to go. I won't go house. I won't go meet the son. I won't go house.
I don't know what we will do. We'll still present am. We'll see whether may you just kukuma go out since you get handwork, or may you still dey for the country. More we see. Then me too, I will call somebody, make I discuss with the person. But I go advise you make you not go out at all. But more we hear wetin people want talk. Then if you listen to wetin people want talk, then me, I think I get one solution for you, because my heart just tell me something now, and I will tell you later after this our talk and our video. I go discuss am with you later. You go look am if e go good for you. You get your Nigeria passport?
No.
You not get?
Na that way I follow the problem. Now here where I come to, I get 2 certificates for here where I take do school. Now after this school,
there is anything that is bothering you, my friend. Please say it so others will learn. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will be your strength. Bring it to true dreams with Lady T. And God will see you through.